Hi guys, I'm thrilled to share a DramaBox hack that unlocks unlimited coins. Take a look at my account, I've already gained unlimited coins. If you're interested in learning how to do the same, stick around until the end of this video, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Grab your device and follow along. First, let's make sure our game is fully updated. Depending on whether you're using an iOS or Android device, head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Check for available updates, and if there's one for DramaBox, download and install it to ensure you have the latest version. For iOS users, there's one extra step after updating the app. If you're on Android, you can skip ahead to the main method. iOS users, go to your device's settings, then tap on General. From there, choose Background App Refresh, and ensure either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. This setting lets the game update its content in the background, enhancing your overall experience. Now, let's move on to the final step. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com. This is a trusted site that offers various modified applications. Search for DramaBox, select it, and you'll see a window with details like download counts and community ratings. Click the Download Now button, and the system will automatically start downloading and installing the necessary files. The process is usually quick, but if any additional files are required, just follow the instructions on the website. It's super straightforward and 100% safe. Once everything is installed, you're all set. I've downloaded it myself, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to get unlimited coins in DramaBox. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips and hacks. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll gladly help you out. Thanks again,